everyone, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Super Sack loading scale system made by Bulk Solids Technology. We've installed on it all new pneumatic controls as well as a new scale system from Mettler. The original load cells underneath the scale pan are made by Mettler. An interface here. It has a vibrator which is operating manually through this valve you see right here. It also has a lift system on air pads, which is controlled by this valve. And we're going to take you around the front, show you it has air pads lifting up. The scale has to be calibrated by a certified scale company. And you can see the lifting pads under here. Also in the controls, you'll see on the side here, they connect your holders for your Super Sack. The scale will have to be calibrated. It's reading weights, but it's not reading correctly. The instructions you see right behind it, we're not certified to do that type of work, so you'll have to have your scale technician do that for you, provide a certificate for your individual state. It's in good condition. Everything is operating perfectly on it. We have lots of process and packaging equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.